Here we are discussing on the topic basic of geometry, in which today we are discussing about altitude and the median of a triangle. Also, we have learned about the triangle and some basic information about the triangle. But altitude and the median is very important information related to the triangle. So let us discuss about the altitude and the median of the triangle. So let's see what is the altitude. The meaning of altitude means height. The meaning of altitude is height. That means here we have to define the height of the triangle. So we say that the length of perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite of base of the triangle is called altitude or height of the triangle. We define that the length of perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite of the vertex is known as the altitude of the triangle. So, if we draw a triangle, in this triangle we can see the altitude of the triangle. Here we can see that this is a triangle x, y, z, in which we have to define the altitude. That means we have to find the height of the triangle. That is the altitude of the triangle. This distance from the point x to the base is its altitude, and here we have to define this distance. We say that the length of perpendicular from the vertex opposite to the base is called its altitude. So in the figure we can see that the perpendicular distance from the vertex opposite to the base, that means here we can see that the distance from x to opposite to the base is its altitude. This is the total height of the triangle. Let us suppose that the line, the perpendicular line which passes through the point x is intersect the base at the point D. Then we say that the line segment XD be the altitude of the triangle XYZ. So the altitude of a triangle is defined as the perpendicular distance from the vertex opposite to the base is called its altitude. I hope that the definition of altitude is clear to everybody. Now let us see the next one is median of the triangle. What do you mean by the median? The meaning of the median is that midpoint. Median means midpoint. That means a line segment which divide any side of the triangle in two equal parts. Then the line which passes through the vertex is called the median of the triangle. Here in the figure we can see that the line which through the point vertex x is divide the base yz into two equal length. So the line segment x m is known as the median of the triangle. So we define the median is the line segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the base is known as the median of the triangle. Here you can see that x be the vertex and yz be the base. So it is not, we are not sure in this figure that which point should be vertex in case of median. because if we suppose that y be the vertex, then xz become base, and if z be the vertex, then xy be its base. So we just define that the line segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the base is known as median of the triangle. So in this figure we can see that the line segment XM is from X to the midpoint of the vertex YZ, so that XM be the median of the triangle XYZ. I hope the both definition, altitude and the median of a triangle is clear to everybody. Now let's see some remarks regarding to the triangle. A triangle has a triangle has three medians. A triangle has three medians. This is the very important remark related to the triangle is that a triangle has three medians. Let's see how. First of all, let us draw a triangle XYZ. I draw a triangle. Just suppose that I draw a triangle A B C. Here we have a triangle A B C. Now let us see how many median are there in the triangle. Here we can see that if M if M be the midpoint in the triangle, if M be the midpoint of the side BC, if M be the midpoint of the side BC, then the line segment AM is known as the median of the triangle. So here we can write that if M be the median midpoint of side BC, then A and be the median is a median. This is the first median. Similarly, if we suppose that N be the midpoint of the side AC, if N be the midpoint of the side AC, then the line segment BN be the median of the triangle ABC. So the next point is that if N be the midpoint, if N be the midpoint of the side AC, then BN be a median. Be a median. And also, if O be the midpoint of the side AB, if O be the midpoint of the side AB, then the line segment OC, then the line segment OC be the median of the triangle. So here we can see that a triangle has three medians, and here we can also see that all these three medians are intersect to each other at the point E. Here in the triangle we can see that all these three medians are intersect to each other at the point E, so that the point E is known as the centroid of the circle. Here, E is the centroid of the circle. So we can write E with the centroid of the circle. I hope median and altitude of the triangle is clear to everybody. Now let us see the exercise based on polygons, that is triangle, quadrilateral, as well as some other closed figure. So let's start our exercise. Draw a triangle XYZ. Draw a triangle XYZ and answer the following and mark the following. Here, some points are to be noted. The first, a point A on the exterior of the triangle. Point A on the exterior of the triangle. Second one, point B in the interior of the triangle. Third, a median from vertex X, and the last, an altitude from the vertex X. Here 4 points are to be noted, and we have to define or explain with the help of figure of triangles. So first of all, draw a triangle XYZ. Let's draw a triangle XYZ. Now draw a triangle XYZ. We have done. Now let's mark the point are given here. The first is point A on the exterior of the triangle. As we know that the region lies outside the closed figure is known as the exterior, so that we can mark the point A on the exterior of the triangle. So the point A is known as the exterior point. In the second, point B, interior of the triangle. We also know that the region lies inside the closed figure known as the interior. So that the point B will lie in the interior of the triangle, and the point B is known as the interior point. In the third, we can see that a median from vertex X. So we have to draw the median from the vertex X, so that the point X be the vertex and we have to draw the median. So as we know that if M be the midpoint of the side YZ, then the line segment XM be the median of the triangle XYZ. As we defined before that, if M be the midpoint of the side YZ, then the line segment XM be the median of the triangle. And also we have to draw the altitude. So the perpendicular length from the vertex opposite to the base is called altitude. So here vertex is given, that is the vertex is x, so that the perpendicular length from the vertex opposite to the base, if x be the vertex, then the side yz become base, so that we get this one and give the name of this point is D, so that here we get xm is the median, xm be the median and xd be the altitude or height of the triangle. I hope it is clear to everybody and the complete solution is given here. So I hope there is no doubt. If you have any doubt, then you can go to the comment section and mention your doubt in the comment. I will try to clear your doubt in our next video. So thank you very much for watching this video.